I think all the best leaders should get an award because they work so hard towards it. I'm actually here because my mom is here, and I'm meeting my mom after very long. And I hope she's wearing a sari because
According to you, what is the true leadership?
True?
True leadership. What qualities should have for the leadership?
You should be focused. You should be having your own willpower. You should be having your own sensibilities and your own views on, and you should stick to it. Yeah, I think that's being a leader.
So what are your upcoming projects?
I'm starting a film now in 20-25 days from now, and it's a love story. It's an action love story. Yeah.
Would you like to reveal about it?
No, that's it. That's all I can say. Right now.
Okay,
Thank you, thank you. I hope my mom is wearing a sari because I haven't seen her in a sari in such a long time. Did she? Did she come?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Today's society magazine is on who is the leadership according to you. So what do you like to say about it?
I think it's a beautiful, I wouldn't say initiative. It's a lovely idea and a thought because हर साल कितने साल कोई ना कोई एक ऐसा इंसान ज़रूर आता है who kind of does something path breaking and her story needs to be told so that बहुत सारे लोग जो शायद वो करना चाहते हैं जो वो दिल में सिर्फ एक विश रखते हैं कि काश मैं ऐसा कर सकता उनके लिए एक इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरी बहुत ज़रूरी है टाइम एंड अगेन कि यार अगर वो कर सकते हैं अगर दे रोज फ्रॉम नथिंग टू ग्रेट हाइट्स व्हाई नॉट आई So I think time and again people need to be reminded to be given that boost, that encouragement, and the stories of such path breakers need to be told so that more people get inspired. And if not, in the least possible way, just step out and do whatever they want with all their heart. जो दिल में उनकी जो भी ख्वाहिश है, at least वो जीने की तमन्ना या that force to live that, वो कभी मरना नहीं चाहिए.
On rule and leadership, what qualities should have it?
I think inspiration. Anybody can be a leader. I think मेरे लिए शायद मेरे टीचर मेरे लीडर हों. So each to his own. किसी के लिए जैसे जैसे आप लाइफ में बढ़ते हैं आपके लिए लीडर भी बढ़ता रहता है. Depending on what you really want to do. So I think at my stage I just want to the list never ends. So anybody who you look up to, who gives you that inspiration कि नहीं यार step up, live your life, do follow your dreams. I think that for me would be my leader.
Begum Jani. Sir, Begum Jani is appreciated. So how do you feel about it?
Excited. I'm nervous. I'm excited, and I hope it does very well. There's also Aisha, my virtual girlfriend, which is doing very, very well. And I just want to tell people, films, web content. Again, web content is something so new. We're trying to do something path breaking, and Aisha ke liye I'm really happy because we're leaders in the first sci-fi web series of India. So I wish more people जो कहानीकार हैं जो कहानियाँ लिखते हैं जो एक्टिंग करते हैं step up, and जिनको कभी प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिला मूवीज़ का नहीं एंड सीरियल्स का नहीं तो एक छोटा सा जो इनिशिएटिव है टू बिल्ड अप द वेब कंटेंट. आई विश मोर पीपल टेक इंस्पिरेशन एंड स्टेप अप एंड लिव देयर ड्रीम्स, टेल देयर स्टोरीज. थैंक यू फॉर दैट क्वेश्चन. Hi.
You have to keep your look on the center.
All right.
Questions can be showered from
Perfect. I'm sorry. Yes.
Flora, the thing is you have been promoting your film Begum Jani.
Ji.
I had been to Kapil Sharma show.
Yes.
How was the experience?
I can't tell you. It has been one of the best experiences of my life because I remember watching Kapil Sharma's show so many times and wishing, Kash, and suddenly there was Begum Jaan, and we were on the Kapil Sharma show. So again, coming back to tonight's award and the theme for today, leadership, I just want to tell people that never stop wishing. You never know what wish comes true because I never thought, I would be on Kapil Sharma's show one day, and I always wanted to. And I said कि कभी इतनी बड़ी पिक्चर करेंगे तो वहाँ पे जाने को मिलेगा. But dreams can come true any time. So just keep doing your work, follow your dreams, follow your passion, and who knows.
पर सुनील और कपिल अलग हो गए.
जी.
डोलड्रम्स चल रहा है.
जी.
प्लीज क्या होगा इसका और आप क्या चाहती हैं क्या हो जाए?
यार अब मुझे हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि लोगों को बहुत प्यार से एक दूसरे के साथ रहना चाहिए एंड आई विश दे मेक पीस बिकॉज वी विल मिस दैम, द होल कंट्री इज़ गोना मिस दैम एंड दे हैव बीन सो एंटरटेनिंग एंड दे हैव मेड सो मेनी पीपल लाफ. So I wish the two of them get back together. That is my wish for them. And yeah, rest all left to God.
जस्ट आपके साथ बहुत ज़्यादा वेट करना पड़ा था, कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हुई थी जो
आप मुझे मरवाओगे. It has already been I think said, तो मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी इसके ऊपर. But I'll only say good things take time, so you have to wait for good things.
6 घंटा ज़्यादा नहीं रहता.
मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रही.
चलो ठीक है, अच्छी है. हैव अ प्लेजेंट इवनिंग.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, absolutely, Simran.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, how are you?
Leadership, what means to you?
Leadership, I think leadership जो भी हो, I think in a very right manner, in a very positive manner, वो देश को चलाए, सोसाइटी को चलाए. For me, leadership is that.
आज आप यहाँ like you will be presenting an award or like
I really don't know, but I'm very happy to be a part of this award function, and I am very very excited, and I'm looking forward for a really good like award show happening and good performances happening.
मैम तो लीडरशिप होने के लिए क्या क्वालिटीज़ चाहिए रहती है एक इंसान में?
I think हमारे जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी, उन्होंने काफ़ी कुछ ऐसा बता दिया है हम लोगों को कि लीडरशिप की क्वालिटीज़ क्या होती हैं. लीडरशिप में ऐसे कौन लीडर जो हमारे देश का होना चाहिए या लीडर कौन होना चाहिए, उसमें क्या क्या क्वालिटीज़ होनी चाहिए. हमारे पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने सब कुछ हमें बता दिया है. इससे ज़्यादा हमें कुछ बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एंड इतना अच्छा लगता है कि द सोसाइटी इज़ चेंजिंग. हमारा देश चेंज हो रहा है एंड इट इज़ चेंजिंग फॉर गुड, फॉर बेटरमेंट. एंड बहुत खुशी है दैट वी हैव आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर विद अस नाउ.
you think जो इनिशिएटिव जो वो लिए जा रहे हैं, प्रयास किए जा रहे हैं यूपी में अबाउट द फॉर वुमेन एंड एवरीथिंग, दे आर ऑन द पाथ?
डेफिनेटली आई थिंक जो भी यूपी में हो रहा है काफ़ी कुछ वुमेन के लिए चेंजेस हो रहे हैं. अभी तो पूरी तरह से हाँ काफ़ी कुछ अभी एक मूव पे है. अभी तक प्रॉपर नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन आई एम श्योर जो आ चुके हैं यूपी में हमारे मिस्टर योगी जी, और वो जो करेंगे वो कमाल करेंगे. एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी श्योर, क्योंकि उन्होंने वैसे भी जब तक वो गोरखपुर से थे तब तक उन्होंने काफ़ी कुछ गोरखपुर के लिए किया है. एंड अब वो एंटायर जो यूपी के लिए करेंगे, आई एम श्योर वो बहुत अच्छा करेंगे.
कहाँ और दिखोगी आप आने वाले समय में?
मैं फ़िलहाल यहाँ दिख रही हूँ आप लोगों के सामने, और जहाँ जहाँ आप होंगे वहाँ वहाँ मैं होंगी, और जहाँ मैं होंगी आप लोग कहीं ना कहीं नज़र आई जाओगे.
राजनीति में आने का कुछ सोचा है?
राजनीति में आने का मैंने बिल्कुल नहीं सोचा है. आई थिंक मैं अगर पॉलिटिशियन बन जाऊँ, सो आई थिंक मैं करप्शन से बहुत दूर होंगी. मैं करप्ट पॉलिटिशियन बन नहीं सकती हूँ. सो आई थिंक एक आज तक का जो एक हमारा नज़रिया रहा है पॉलिटिक्स के लिए, वो ये रहा है कि पॉलिटिशियंस बहुत करप्ट होते हैं. लेकिन फॉर्चुनेटली हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने आकर ये काफ़ी कुछ चेंजेस किए हैं, और अगर ये चेंजेस आने वाले वक्त में हुए तो, और करप्शन नहीं हुआ और हमारे पॉलिटिक्स में पैसा वैसा खाने वाली चीज़ें नहीं हुई, देन आई वुड लव टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स. व्हाई नॉट? आई डोंट थिंक नेता की तो फिलहाल नहीं बात करेंगे, बट अगर हमारी सोसाइटी के लिए, हमारी सोसाइटी मैगजीन के लिए यहाँ पे आए हुए हैं, सोसाइटी के लिए अगर हम लोग कुछ भी कर सकें एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, तो हम सबके लिए बहुत अच्छी बात है. और देश का भला होगा, सोसाइटी का भला होगा. तो थैंक यू सो मच. मैं पूरा क्या बना दिया.
मैम लेफ्ट में, मैम लेफ्ट, मैम आपके लेफ्ट में.
Good evening.
You're part of the ceremony in which capacity?
I'm not doing any of it.
Okay, so they have specially called you so that the award ceremony can happen.
Yeah,
It can't
exactly.
happen without you.
It can't happen without me. Pretty girls have to come so that everything goes properly.
Such a fantastic answer.
I'm sure you have plenty of them here today.
No, but like such an honest and truthful answer, like.
I have to be honest. Eventually the truth will come out, so what's the point of being not honest?
Looking fabulous, as you said, like pretty. So just decode your look for tonight.
I don't remember, it's in my phone.
Phone ले लीजिए, phone लीजिए. Designer stylist को phone भी कर लीजिए.
You know, I'm really terrible in these things. I like what I wear, but I'm very bad with names. I'm really good with faces. I'll never forget your face ever now. But names, I keep forgetting. A little bad in that.
कोई problem नहीं है. Pretty girls get away with anything.
So I'm wearing a dress which is by House of CB and jewelry by Aquamarine.
Very nice.
Sorry.
Yeah. And any hobbies like? Do you like singing?
No.
And what according to you are the qualities of a leader?
I think confidence, honesty, and I think these two are very important. Education is very important because I really believe that a leader who's being followed by so many people, who's an inspiration of so many people, should be educated, should be honest, and should be truthful. So yeah, I think these three things are very important.
And some people are like eager to ask you like where we are supposed to see you next.
Oh, I've just signed an international project. It's a Canadian movie, Hindi movie. I think very soon.
मतलब उन्होंने आपको कुछ टिप्स दिए मतलब प्रियंका ने कि मतलब भाई पहले हॉलीवुड करो
बहुत सारे टिप्स दिए एग्जैक्टली
कोई एक हमारे से शेयर करना चाहेंगे आप
उसी ने मेरे को ला के दिया ये प्रोजेक्ट No, it's not like that. It's just that whatever good comes your way, you should sign it. I'm waiting for something good to happen in Hindi. I think, inshallah, बहुत जल्दी Bollywood. Maybe I'll sign something really soon. But this was a Canadian movie which came my way, and it's a very interesting role. And they are showing Indian girl in a very good way. So there was no reason for me to say no, and I'm really excited about that.
Baywatch के जो trailers वगैरह जो अभी तक आए हैं what's your reaction on those like हम थोड़ा ज़्यादा चाहते थे प्रियंका उसमें दिखे
I think everybody knows she's a main protagonist. She's like the main villain. It's just that you know how Priyanka works. She has her own marketing scheme. So I think when her trailer will come, it's only gonna be Priyanka. Right now, it's gonna be little chota.
and then the bomb. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Keep meeting you, है ना?
हाँ जी.
Keep your mobile handy.
Thank you guys.
हाय 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 हाय
सारे सोशल कॉजेज से आप जुड़े हुए हैं
नहीं यार कोशिश करता हूँ कुछ करता रहूँ थोड़ा बहुत
मोदी जी से खास जुड़ गए लगता है हमारे अभियान वगैरह से
दैट्स हैपन बाय डिफॉल्ट कोशिश की थी कि कुछ करें एंड इट्स वर्कड आउट क्वाइट फाइन
हमें बताते हैं लोग कि लीडरशिप में आजकल लाइक ही इज एन एग्जांपल मिस्टर मोदी
सी मोदी जी इज एन एग्जाम्पल everywhere probably today. It's like you are talking about him throughout the globe. And in the years to come, probably he will be the only man which we are looking at where leadership will really matter.
all the best quality a leader can we have.
Focus. One has to just focus on what you're looking at and ensure that you try and deliver to the best of your abilities.
आपको भी अवार्ड मिल रहा है आज
I was told that.
you are getting it. I'm confirming it. So have a pleasant evening and congratulations.
Thank you so very much, dear. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am left, ma'am.
आप तो फिल्मों में बिजी रहते हैं, हम लोग गरीब लोगों को नहीं सर, पहले मैम के साथ, फिर मैम के साथ, हाँ सर, फिर तीनों के साथ। हाँ। अच्छा, तुम जो करोगे वही होगा। ठीक है। डांटो मत।
अच्छा अवार्ड, और मुझे लगता है मैं हर साल आता हूँ। मेघना पब्लिकेशन ने सालों से ये अवार्ड करते जा रही है और इस बात की खुशी है मुझे कि अलग अलग क्षेत्र से, अलग अलग फील्ड से लोगों को अवार्ड मिल रहा है। इट्स अ ग्रेट ऑनर टू बी ओवर हियर एंड आई अप्रिशिएट मेघना पब्लिकेशन, नारी हीरा जी, to give all the dues to all the people who has been excellent in their fields. Thank you. हाँ कीर्ति जी आइए, हाँ बोलिए।
गुड इवनिंग एंड गुड इवनिंग मधुर। मधुर, एक तो मुझे कहना पड़ेगा, आप जो चुनते हैं लाइक दैट्स अ जैम, शी इज़ अ जैम। बताओ, शी इज़ सच अ ब्रेव गर्ल। आपको याद है वो अपन ने पैंड्रा में जो बुक स्टोर में यू रेड आउट द पैसेज, आपको घटना नहीं मालूम है, लाइक आई रियली अप्रिशिएट दैट थिंग, लाइक सो ब्रेवली यू डिड दैट थिंग।
Well, it was just, I think it was a fun evening and I just took part in that. So, thank you.
But it needs nerves of steel to do that.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, कोई
I'm
बात
flattered.
बताएंगी।
मेरे ख्याल से इंदु सरकार जो हमारी फिल्म है और ख़त्म हो चुकी है, पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन वर्क चालू हो चुका है, जुलाई अगस्त में रिलीज़ होगी। जैसे आप लोग ने मेरे ख्याल से जितना इस पिक्चर के बारे में सुना है या इसको जाना है, एक ऐसी फिल्म जो इमरजेंसी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को दर्शाती है। उस वक्त 1975 और 77 के बीच में 19 महीने में क्या गतिविधियाँ हुई, ये उसके ऊपर जो है वो फिल्म है। और डेफिनेटली मेरे ख्याल से आज की युवा पीढ़ी खास करके इस सब्जेक्ट को जानने के लिए उत्साहित है, क्योंकि एग्जैक्टली इमरजेंसी के टाइम पे हुआ क्या था। कितनी बताएगी? मुझे लगा कि जो कैरेक्टर है इंदु का, जो मुझे लगा कि उस कैरेक्टर को जस्टिफाई ये कर पाएगी और इन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा किया। हर फिल्म मेकर के दिमाग में ऐसा होता है कि एक जो उसकी प्रोटैगनिस्ट है वो किस तरह पर्दे पे उसको एक अलग लेवल पे लेके जाएगी, एंड डेफिनेटली खरी उतरी है इस रोल को लेकर, और डेफिनेटली दर्शक भी उसको उतना ही पसंद करेंगे जितना एक फिल्म मेकर का विजन है।
No, I'm not playing a politician. तो जैसा मधुर ने कहा कि फिल्म एमरजेंसी के टाइम की है, which is basically those 18-19 months of emergency. तो बैकड्रॉप वो है फिल्म का। I am playing the role of Indu Sarkar, and Indu Sarkar is she has got nothing to do with politics. She is a very normal girl. So the film is her story of she finding herself. So it's a very human story. There's nothing political or anything about it, but the backdrop is political and the backdrop is emergency.
मतलब मिल नहीं पाते आप इन दिनों हमसे, ज़्यादातर एक ही को दे देते हैं आप।
ये ऐसा किसने कहा आपसे स्मित जी? ऐसा हो सकता है मैं मिल नहीं पाता आपको? आप ये कैसे सोचा?
कहाँ कल्याण वगैरह के आगे शूट करते हैं।
चलिए ठीक है।
अच्छा,
नहीं करजत, कल्याण नहीं, करजत में शूट कर रहा हूँ।
मैं आपसे सर ये पूछा था कि लाइक फिर CBFC वापस से अपने मतलब डिसीजंस के ऊपर वो रहता है कि विवादों में रहता है। आपकी फिल्म तो हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं इनको छूते हुए निकलती है, तो
नहीं, मेरा भी हमेशा कई बार ऐसा हुआ है। देखिए, अब की सरकार हो, पहले की सरकार हो, CBFC से हमेशा लोगों को प्रॉब्लम रहा है, चाहे चांदनी बार के लिए हो, पेश 3 के लिए, ट्रैफिक सिग्नल के लिए, मुझे हमेशा प्रॉब्लम रहा है। तो ये जो है, मैंने पहले भी कहा था कि CBFC को और थोड़ा मॉडरेट होना चाहिए और थोड़ा पुशिंग द एनवलप वाला जो एक पूरा सिनेरियो में जाना चाहिए, लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से स्लोली बदलेगा, टाइम बदलेगा और डेफिनेटली मैं चाहूँगा कि इससे परिवर्तन आए।
लेकिन जो एपेलेट का डिसीजन आने वाला है शायद लिपस्टिक अंडर द बुर्का का, आपको लगा ये जिस तरह से चीज़ इस घटना पे हुई है वो?
देखिए, मैं जिस वक्त ये लिपस्टिक अंदर द बुर्का की बात हो रही है उस वक्त मैं शूटिंग कर रहा था मेरी फिल्म की, तो मुझे इतना मैंने फॉलो नहीं किया इस न्यूज़ को, लेकिन मैं डेफिनेटली चाहूँगा जी कि हर एक किस्म का जो एक फॉर्मुलेशन होता है कि आप पहले CBFC जाते हो, फिर आप रिवाइजिंग जाते हो, फिर ट्राइब्यूनल जाते हो, ये एक प्रोसेस होता है। तो मुझे नहीं लगता, मेरे ख्याल से ट्राइब्यूनल में गई है तो डेफिनेटली डिसीजन आएगा। और ना शाम बेनीगल कमेटी ने भी इसका ये किया कि इसको अबॉलिश करना चाहिए, तो डेफिनेटली सरकार इस पर थोड़े दिनों में या कितने टाइम जो भी होगा, जो रिकमेंडेशन गई शाम बेनीगल कमेटी की, उसको डेफिनेटली देखेगी और उस पर रिकमेंडेशन करेगी, एंड वो सब पूरी इंडस्ट्री के लिए अच्छा होगा।
पर कितना समय, 1 साल तो हो गया सर, और
लेकिन टाइम तो लगता है ना, चीज़ें को बदलने में टाइम तो लगता
आपका
है।
विश्वास है मोदी सरकार पे?
100% विश्वास है।
और योगी सरकार पे?
100% विश्वास है।
आपको लगा?
और बताइए और कौन सी सरकार? आप ये पूछिए हिंदू सरकार पे। चलिए, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
अरे नहीं, मैं कुछ अरे निकल गया दिमाग से।
चलो, हो गया।
सुनो सर,
Magazine is giving award to all the person.
थोड़ा जोर से मेरे भाई, आवाज़ नहीं आ रही।
Society magazine is giving award to all the person for their leadership. What do you like to say about it?
I think it's a great thing, for any any person to receive such an honor, and I think when you work all your life so hard to achieve your goals and you get recognized for it, I think it's a huge thing, and I feel society is doing a damn good thing.
What qualities should have for a leadership or do leadership?
I think you have to do good to others. You have to achieve your goals, and without any personal agendas, you should be good to the society. So I think that's the time when you actually leave a mark in the society, and I think it's very important for any individual to do that.
So is it true you're doing an international project?
Yeah, this one which is in the pipeline, and hopefully they'll come early next year, and fingers crossed, many more to come.
So other than that, any upcoming project?
Yeah, this one, I'm right now coming from Hyderabad. I'm shooting for a Telugu film. Then for my home production also, I'm planning to start 2 movies this year. And like I said, things are looking pretty exciting.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm here left.
Vani ma'am, straight. Vani ma'am, straight. Wait. Ma'am. Thank you.
Done, sir?
Ma'am, to your right. Ma'am, to your right.
नए लोग आगे मुझे बुढ़ापे में पुराना फर्नीचर समझ के अलग कर दिया।
स्ट्रेट कर पीछे ले पीछे
Today, Society Magazine is giving all the winner for the leadership. What do you like to say about it?
It's a very good platform for the newer people to show their art and from various fields. Like we all know from the interiors, the music and all. I don't think so anybody would have recognized. You know, it's just a platform for you to get more better in life, and it helps you, motivates you, these awards, to get, to prove yourself. And I would say that the real winners should win, because it gives them, that opportunity to show something to the society, something new to the society, what they have presented, like from various fields, which we are unaware of. We have already seen the new, the older ones, but there are such new talent in whether it's Bollywood, there is all new talent. So it's a good platform to recognize these deserved achievers.
Support to leadership, what quality should have in a human?
It's everybody has the leadership always shows something which it's outstanding than the other people. It is like something which is hatke, you can just say in a short form, that what the others couldn't achieve. Maybe everybody has a forte in a different field. So one of their fortes, if they come out and they persistent about it and they show it to our society, I think that person is a winner.
Rishika, probably you are getting an award tonight. You have heard it, and you are awarded for your leadership qualities and taking your brand and your company towards the next level.
I didn't know I was getting an award, but since you're saying, I'll be very happy if I get an award. Why not, Any award is an achievement of what you worked on, what you've really hard worked, you put an effort on. So I would say that it'll be a pleasure.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Rishika, I need a small question. If you can come for, especially for our channel. एक थोड़ा सा
Hi. Today, Society Magazine is giving all the person for their leadership. What would you like to say about it?
I would like to congratulate everyone who got the award. and even the people who have not received it, they are already star because it takes a lot to reach here. And I'm very glad that society is recognizing all this talent and leadership quality from the people. So good luck to all of you. Thank you so much.
How to leadership? What qualities should have you?
You have to be leader, you know, you have to lead the thing and then everything follows. Then we say कि आप चलते चलो कारवा चलता जाएगा. तो जो अपने आप में faith रखते हैं and without any hesitation they keep going and keep moving, they are the leader in front of me, they are the leader according to me. और जो ऐसा सोचते हैं वही आज लीडरशिप में आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Also, congratulations for your institute also.
Thank you so much.
How's your it's going on?
It's going on. The boss is handling everything, and yes, now the more batches will start and good response. Thank you so much everyone for supporting us, and I want a lot of new students should come and join Diya because it's my feeling. I want to give them platform to come in this beautiful industry, and as lot of good producers, directors are supporting. तो अगर मैं उनकी लाइफ में कुछ contribute करूँगी तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. इसलिए give me opportunity to nurture your dream.
Thank you.
Rishabh, how will you be part of and how you will be supporting Deepshika in this venture?
He's the one who supports.
I'm the one who is actually handling it.
Like implementation and everything. Like
Yes. I'm the MD of the company, so I am handling everything in terms of the syllabus, the curriculum, day-to-day activity in that institute. Everything is like looked after through me only.
And how you see the future, like how you will be propagating in terms of its promotions and everything.
See, we have to do lot of promotions. अभी तो सिर्फ Facebook और digital हुआ है. Lot of thing हमने नहीं की है. Secondly, जैसे हम leadership की बात करें तो ये हमने एक thought डाला and we started this venture. And I had this dream of this and thought of this. Keshav supported, my teachers joined, the students joined. So वो कारवा बनता गया और धीरे धीरे बनता जाएगा. So I don't have any future plan, but I want दिया become my brand and बहुत सारे बच्चे दिया से बाहर निकले और इंडस्ट्री को प्राउड फील करा और मुझे प्राउड फील कराए. So that is what I want.
See, in terms of promotion, what you have just spoken, we have already planned a city tour because we are coming up with another thing which is ITS, India's top supermodel. It is something like Femina, something like Gladrex, but in a very bigger way. We have got a good team of celebs. I won't disclose the name right now. We are in terms of talking with 13-14 different celebs which are like big name getting involved in that. So whoever models also ultimately their dream is to become actor. So indirectly it is a co-related
So we are giving
stuff.
platform.
So we are giving platform there also, and at the same time nurturing them in Diya after becoming actors or models.
दीपिका, मैं आपको ये पूछ रहा था कि लाइक आप काम करती रहेंगी, लाइक या टोटल इन्वॉल्वमेंट आपका.
मैं इसीलिए केशव इज हैंडलिंग कि मैं अपना काम कर रही हूँ. आई एम डूइंग 2 films. आई एम डूइंग पेशवा बाजीराव. आई विल बी कंटिन्यू एक्टिंग. आई हैव नॉट क्विट एक्टिंग एंड बैक डिपार्टमेंट एवरीथिंग केशव इज हैंडलिंग. ही इज ऑल्सो डूइंग हिज बिट. सो ये एक बार सेट हो जाएगा तो वो ऑटो मोड पे चलता है. इनफैक्ट जितना मैं ज़्यादा काम करूँगी उतना मेरे लिए और अच्छा है. सो आई एम नॉट क्विटिंग एक्टिंग टिल आई डाई प्लीज़.
और आप हम लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करते रहेंगे
100%. हाँ जी हाँ.
नंबर वही है, चेंज करेंगे तो 2 नंबर है.
हाँ, मैंने कभी आपका फ़ोन नहीं उठाया, बताइए. आई ऑलवेज रिस्पॉन्डेड टू प्रेस बिकॉज थैंक्स टू मीडिया. आप लोग हैं, आप लोग का सपोर्ट है, इसलिए हम यहाँ तक पहुँचे.
थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
दिस तक जाना है.
सोसाइटी मैगजीन अवार्ड आज लीडरशिप के ऊपर अवार्ड देना चाहते हैं, तो उसके ऊपर क्या कहना चाहिए?
First of all, my best wishes for the Society Leader Award, and this is my first time I think I'm joining this. और आप मेरे पिक्चर से रिलेटेड कोई सवाल पूछ दे तो मैं बता दूँ.
सर, आपकी लाली की शादी में भी म्यूजिक
Yes, this
राजवी 2 में भी है, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा कुछ कहना चाहिए.
The Lali Ki Shadi is releasing on 7th of April this month, coming week. So I think it's a good film. Go and watch. Anything else?
बिकॉज वो सॉन्ग में भारद्वाज जी की सिस्टर ने भी म्यूजिक दिया हुआ है शायद.
विशाल
सर के सिस्टर ने, तो उसके बारे में कुछ कहना चाहिए क्योंकि उनकी वो पहली डेब्यू हुई.
फर्स्ट डेब्यू है विशाल भारद्वाज की सिस्टर का, और good news is Rahat Ali, the band singer from Pakistan, is coming back with this film again. So I think ये एक अच्छा news है इस film के लिए. So thank you very much. Thank you and all the best for the Society Awards. Thank you very much.
Can you just tell us about the evening tonight? आज की शाम के बारे में आप हमें कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
नहीं सर, कुछ भाई वो अवार्ड्स का प्रोग्राम है.
अच्छा, थैंक यू सर.
ओके.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, you are also part of the ceremony. You're being awarded tonight.
Yeah.
Can you want to give a message?
So, to get a leadership award is good for those who are getting, but it's an inspiration for others to receive this. So I think so by doing all this of award function and everything, this helps other people to grow, to achieve, and get this. This is a good idea.
Thank you, sir.
Take to be an artist? I think you're the right person to answer it.
Well, it's all about creativity and discovery. You discover, you find things and you are surprised by those things. That's the...
It's like being a little child.
That I won't say, but it is, no, I don't think it's not like child.
Okay, I'm sorry, I asked the wrong question. Thank you so much, but wishing you all the very best. I think it's phenomenal work that you've done. Thank you. Thank you so much for being here with us on stage. So you were here, then you went there, then you came here. I got very confused. A big round of applause for Mr. Madhur Bhandarkar, guys. Come on. And I think अब वक्त आया हम impactful leaders की तरफ एक बार फिर चल रहे हैं. So let's take a look at the journey of our next award winners so far. Let's take a look.
Well, there's so much to say. Microsurgery. What I'm doing is microscopic surgery on the brain, spinal cord, nerves. And there is, of course, microsurgery means like deep sea diving. You see beautiful creatures, beautiful structures under a microscope, and small little structures which require to be elicited, to be safeguarded, and the whole world looks like a dream. Today, neurosurgery, which is surgery on the brain, has almost 0% mortality. 99.9% patients go home thanks, of course, due to good technique, good technology, and of course, good post-operative intensive care. So we have, of course, a wonderful, wonderful journey. And don't be afraid if you have a brain tumor. It'll be successful anymore, I can assure you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your journey so far. And congratulations once again. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for doing the honors. Thank you so much, sir. All right, and moving on for the next award, may I request Mr. Arjun Bajwa, the beautiful Krishika Lula, and I would like to welcome on stage Miss Padamsi to please join us. तालियां होनी चाहिए भाई, थोड़ी सी तालियों में बिल्कुल आवाज नहीं है. Come on everybody. Hello there. All right, and we have our next presenter, Miss Padamsi. She's not there? Okay, so we'll have her in the next set of awards. But for now, let's take a look at the journey of our next award winner so far.
See, any award, any appreciation, you love it. Why not? We are human. But most importantly, what I say is, we doctors, we work hard with dedication, passion to excel, and we love our patients. So last week was hilarious for doctors. So to the Society of India and all, I will say, love your doctors. Make them your friends. Thank you.
Every time I go to my doctor scares the hell out of me. So I think it's difficult to love my doctor.
Pune is 2 hours ahead.
I know. I think I should go to Pune only, not visit a doctor. But thank you. You promise you'll be dressed like this, so I come and meet you and you look as lovely.
I have few people from film industry. You can ask them. I can't tell names.
Oh, lovely. A big round of applause. Thank you so much, ma'am. I think that's fantastic. All right. नहीं कहीं नहीं जा सकते, यहीं पे रहना है. Because I don't have the next names to give away to you all. We love you. Okay, let's bring on the next award winner's journey so far.
Sharad Alve and Harvinder.
The honors. Congratulations, Mr. Sharad Alve and Harvinder Singh Bindra. यहीं पर ही रहिए, यहीं पर ही रहिए. Wait. इनको अवार्ड देने के लिए हम कुछ और लोगों को भी स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहेंगे, if that's okay with you. We'll make it very special for you. We have
What do you feel getting award from a legendary director?
Totally honored, sir. Totally honored.
Why to speak louder?
I think sometimes, words fall short and emotions वैसे ही इतने high होते हैं. So congratulations to both of you. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you so much to all of you. Subhash ji, thank you so much. We'll call you on stage in some time और मुझे आपसे बहुत सारी बातें करनी है, which we'll do in a few minutes. But thank you so much for doing the honors. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for a lovely panel of presenters. Thank you. To the gorgeous ladies, thank you. To present the next award for this evening, I would like to welcome on stage none other than one and only one. A big round of applause. Along with Sandhya Shetty and my very, very gorgeous, stunning, beautiful, sensational, one and only Shibani Kashyap. A big round of applause for her. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Let's welcome our beautiful ladies on stage. So, ekdam sannata sa ho gaya hai, looking at the ladies. All right. So, let's take a look at the journey of our next award winners so far.
I think we've started a new concept. We're not an NGO, so we're doing this on a purely commercial basis where you can, where we provide the service for a fee. And the reason for that is just that since we are charging a fee, we can guarantee a service, we can guarantee a quality, we can guarantee security, and all of these things that NGOs cannot do. And we started this in Calcutta because, from our own family, we had experiences where elderly couldn't move around and then they slowly get isolated, as you were saying. And it's really something that's increasing all over India, especially in the urban areas where, 20, 30 years ago, everybody went for higher education abroad and no one's coming back. And the senior citizens are all now in India, away from their children. And, no guilt, no judgment. Everybody has their life to lead. But our service basically reaches out to those who are now elderly, 70 plus, 80 plus, who are alone, they're just isolated for whatever reason. And not everybody wants to leave their homes and move into an old age facility. So we give this facility in their own homes so that they don't need to leave their homes. And we give it. Thank you so much for recognizing this. I'm so very honored by Society Magazine. And, it's inspired me, obviously, to do bigger and better things. And, we're loving Mumbai. So thank you very much, Mumbai. It's been beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you. That's so sweet. So maybe companionship, जब आपने बोला मुझे लगा maybe there should be somewhere where we can fix them up a dating services. So that'll be so cute, isn't it? So thank you so much. Thank you so much. We'll request Mr. Sonu Sood to please stay back. I always hold back good-looking people. So please, a big round of applause for him. Please come here. So पहले तो having six-pack abs is okay, but keeping them for 1 year, you don't eat anything. How does that go?
No, not 1 year, past 20 years. 20 years? Yeah.
How?
You'll ask Madhu sir, he's a director. He's one of the fittest directors we have. We work out together in the gym.
नहीं, वो तो fit किसी और reason की वजह से.
किस reason?
वो तो उनके actresses की fit. He's going to kill me. Every time I see, he's surrounded by so many beautiful women. And if I'm not wrong, you're married, right? तो शादी के बाद तो वैसे आधी motivation खत्म हो जाती है. But look at his motivation, it's like, it's gorgeous to be surrounded by so many. So he has to be fit, isn't it? So how about you? अच्छा, okay, चलो. Question बदल देते हैं. How was your experience working with the legendary Jackie Chan? We saw you in so many places. I think that was fantastic. How was the experience?
I feel, it's one of the most special experiences I ever had. He's one of the most grounded actor I ever come across. When I met him for the first time, I remember in Dubai, and he was working on the sets like a spot boy, picking chairs for other actors, serving water to everyone. So lots to learn from him. I think I almost spent 1 year with him, and you always see like a changed person when you work with a legend like Jackie. So I think truly I was blessed, I would say.
So have you learned any Chinese words?
A little bit. You know, I actually learned Chinese for almost 20-25 days, but I couldn't find anyone to, speak to. So yeah, you can? Ni hao. Wo ye hai na hao.
Any other word?
Other word, I'll say after we end the show.
यूजली हम इंडिया में तो बड़े अलग वर्ड सिखाते हैं जैसे कोई इंडिया में आता है हम 2-3 गालियाँ सिखा देते हैं सो आई होप दे हैवंट डन द सेम टू यू No, they haven't. Okay. So thank you so much. We'll get you back on stage and have a little more conversations with you. But now is a very, very special moment of this evening for us. Well, firstly, I would like to wish my heartiest congratulations to all the impactful editor of Society magazine, Ms. Suchitra Iyer, to join us on stage. एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Come on, everybody. इतने ठंडे नहीं रहना हमने. Let's give it up. Welcome, and finally, the edition that we've all been waiting for. I'm so excited. For no reason, I'm getting to stand with Mr. Ashutosh Gowarikar. Okay, so firstly, how do you feel?
It feels wonderful, of course. When you make movies, you're actually trying to express a feeling. And it's about what you feel about the environment that you are in. So it can be something patriotic, it can be nationalistic, it can be religious tolerance. Or my recent one was about environment. When you're making them, you're not thinking about any contribution. And so it's wonderful to be receiving an award such as this. Thank you, Mr. Hira. Because it just gives you, it's a kind of reminder that you need to keep growing, you need to keep expanding, you need to keep reinventing, rediscovering, handling more themes. So thank you very much.
I was just looking only because, okay, but I want to ask you that a few questions, especially लिखवाए हैं मैंने आज की शाम के लिए. So we would like to know that a few questions. We would like to see कि आप अपनी history को कितने अच्छे से याद रखते हैं. वो कहते हैं लोग जब आगे बढ़ जाते हैं और बहुत success मिल जाता है वो अपना past भूल जाते हैं. And I'm sure you're not one of those. So we are going to test you tonight. Are you ready for that? Okay. Now, this movie had two Bollywood stars coming together on the screen for the very first time and the only time. Which movie is it? And name at least 3 more stars who acted and who made a cameo in that scene.
Failed.
A success. Pehla Disha. Thank you so much. How could you forget?
I forget my own history.
Okay, एक और question. You can't fail in this one. Okay, you impressed Javed Akhtar ji so much that he came to you after watching a movie and said it was the greatest movie ever made. Which movie was that?
See, these are all very pompous and arrogant questions which will demand an arrogant answer, but I will humbly say he said Lagan.
Oh, lovely. Is that the right answer? We have the right answer person there. Okay, now is it true that during the production of Lagan, Aamir Khan was left back in the hotel because he was late and bus chhoot gayi?
Yeah, that is correct, because these are rules that we had set for ourselves, and in a way it bounced back at Aamir on that particular day. After that, he was never late.
Oh, lovely. Lovely, and now that's what it takes to be one of the most ace directors of Bollywood. Let's give it up for Ashutosh Govarkar. Thank you so much, sir.
So I want to give it up for Mr. Nari Hira, who I like to call, he's one of the first movie moguls. He's the one who started the video boom, as I like to call it. So let's hear it from Mr. Hira.
चलो है. You know, constantly telling good-looking directors surrounded by girls. मेरी बीबी सामने बैठी हुई है. Thank you so much. Well, thank you so much. First and foremost, Nari ji, for me, it's a very big honor to get Meghna Publication Award, especially from you. As a kid, I remember I couldn't afford starters that time. So I remember going to the Radhi shop and buying starters at 1 rupee and half, 8 ane mein, 4 ane mein 2 jaise bolte the na, that time. So, and I used to read completely starters. So I think it's a great moment for me getting award from you. I've never thought I would receive award from you. And so many awards. I think I would like to thank everybody who has contributed to my journey. My actors, my producers, my music directors, everybody who has contributed to the success of my cinema. My family, everybody. And wife, of course, family. And it's a great journey. Started from a video cassette library to here. It's really a great journey. And thank you so much, Nari Saab and Meghna Publication and all the jury members who have honored me. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And wishing you all the success for your upcoming film. May you do very well. I meant he's a very good looking in a brother sense of the way. सारी लड़कियों को लगता है कितना good looking. show with Mahi, MS Dhoni, and उनसे कुछ बात हो रही थी, उन्होंने कहा it's the moments when you break down in life is when what teaches you the most about life. जब आप सक्सेस के पिनिकल पे होते हैं तब तो कुछ सीखते नहीं हैं, जब आप बिल्कुल लो होते हैं. So can you share that moment where you felt that dude it's not going to happen and suddenly something sparked and it worked for you?
Yeah, first of all I want to share a very special moment, sir. I don't know whether ever I've spoken about it. I was in college, I was doing my engineering, and in my second, third year, I just thought that I want to become an actor. I got a portfolio clicked, and at the time, Stardust was doing this manhunt. They were looking out for actors. मैंने अपनी pictures भेजी, and I was waiting for that call to come, and after a month or so, I got those pictures back. Ki, boss, we don't think so. You are fit for it. You have to work hard. And I said, यार, इनको शायद ना talent की परख नहीं है, इसलिए वापस भेज दिए. But then I said, I have to really work hard and, have to prove myself. So I think it took those 20 years to get this from you. And I want to thank Magna, Narihira sir, Suchitra ji, Ashok ji for always there for me and, motivating me. I don't have my parents now, but I think the whole industry, all the people in the industry are my parents who guide me and motivate me all the time. My mom always used to say that, you have miles to go before you sleep. Yeah, still miles to go before I sleep, and the journey is on. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I can tell you that they're all very fond of you because the only word we heard was Sonu's coming, Sonu's coming. So heartiest congratulations to you. And if I want to lose 5 kgs, how do I do that? Please tell me.
You can take my number. You'll use it.
Okay, we're doing that. Thank you so much. A big round of applause for our leading lights, Sonu Sood, right here. Thank you so much for being here with us. Okay, they say that you always save the best for the last. And we have done just that tonight.
First of all, I'm honored, and my hearty thanks to Narihira, Suchitra ji, and Society Leadership Awards. I was wondering when I was coming, what I'm going to get now. I've done it all, I've seen it all. They told me that you are getting Society Leadership Award. तो मैंने कहा कि एक तो सोसाइटी बड़ी मुश्किल है, दूसरे ये लीडर, उसके ऊपर शिप, फिर उसके बाद अवार्ड, उसके बाद 2017, फिर उसके बाद सेलिब्रेटिंग ट्रू लीडरशिप. ये पांचों जो चीज़ें हैं बड़ी मुश्किल हैं. लीडर बनना बड़ा मुश्किल है. मीन्स आपके आगे कोई है ही नहीं. यू आर जस्ट गोइंग एंड पीपल आर फॉलोइंग यू. उसके बाद शिप, उस शिप में है जिस शिप की कोई डायरेक्शन ही नहीं, इन्फिनिटी है. इट्स अ वेरी हार्ड टास्क टू बी लीडर. सो सर, आप लोग प्रॉब्लम में हैं, गौरकर साहब, मधुर वानरकर साहब और सब लोग जिन्होंने अवार्ड लिया है. आजकल लीडरशिप के चक्कर में और इसको सेलिब्रेट करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बट आई मस्ट शेयर यू वन सीक्रेट. Then when she called me as a beloved showman, this all credit goes to one person, and his magazine, his name is Narihira, and his magazine, when I read first time in my life, that here is a man who's called Showman Subhash Ghai. So I really felt very bad because in our Punjabi, showman means show off. I did not understand. I said, probably, Stardust, Stardust. There is always cheek behind the lines. So then I asked him one day in the other party, Nari, and he told me, I said, why Subhash Ghai is showman? Showman is one person, is Raj Kapoor Sahab hai, hamare guru hain. He says, no, showman means the man who thinks big, who makes big pictures, big frames, big music, big sound, big story, larger than life, and plus big parties, big booze. Then I said, yeah, I accept that. Thank you. Thank you very much for it. And it was lovely. Thank you, Krishka, coming here. But trust me, leadership, to be leader is a responsibility. And it is a huge responsibility how to create the younger generation as a filmmaker. So I'm taking one responsibility at this age of my time when I'm trying to create filmmakers now. And Whistling Wood is proud enough to complete its 10th year. And we have so many brilliant talent in Whistling Wood. And I'm proud of it. Thank you. Now, आप कुछ पूछिए, क्या सवाल पूछ? हाँ, पूछिए.
Okay, so मैं nervous हूँ पूछते हुए. लेकिन अगर आज के समय में, we know we have new actors and actresses and everybody. So कुछ genres मैं आपको बताऊंगी. अगर आप मुझे बताएं कि इस genre में आप किसको cast करना चाहेंगे, okay? Very simple question. Okay, अगर आप बनाते हैं a slapstick comedy, तो आप किसको cast करेंगे?
Varun Dhawan.
With?
Alia Bhatt. Recent hit हुआ ना?
Okay, if we make a genre which is murder mystery.
मर्डर मिस्ट्री के लिए मुझे एक ही आदमी नजर आता है जो बहुत किस करते हैं. क्या नाम है उसका? वो जो किस बहुत करते हैं, इमरान हाशमी. कि मर्डर किस से शुरू होता है, सॉल्यूशन में किस में होता है.
Not bad. Okay, फिर अपने मर्डर मिस्ट्री तो इमरान हाशमी को दे दिया. अगर हम अगला जॉनर बनाते हैं an adult comedy, फिर आप किसको कास्ट करेंगे?
हमारे देश के एक चीफ मिनिस्टर है, उनका बेटा, अभागा बेटा, रितेश देशमुख. अभागा बेटा.
A big round of applause for that. Okay, now supposingly we decide कि हम इन सब से अलग चले जाते हैं. Let's make a, जो सैफ अली खान already बोल चुके हैं, maybe he's making a second version of this, a zombie horror film.
Myself.
All right.